So for the first time this trip, we're seeing stars. We're gonna go try and catch another sunrise.
This morning we are joined by Blackbeard, another of the few remaining cormorant fishermen in the area. He was trained at age 13 and, like the Huang brothers, also swapped his career as a fisherman for the life of a model when fishing could no longer sustain him. The morning was quiet and peaceful, and this was our first perfect sunrise since arriving in China. The silence was speckled with the noises of bugs and the occasional burst of laughter from Blackbeard. It felt so perfect to be in such a secluded spot, and even though it was difficult to get to and required us getting up at 2 in the morning, it was totally worth it.
Justin's always ahead of us. We've been in China almost 2.5 weeks, and this is our first time to see a freaking sunrise. First sunrise! Yay! All the pretty flowers. Somewhere along the way I stopped vlogging transitions, mostly because we've been moving at a pace that is fast enough that I'm just sleeping every opportunity I get. You in a car? Sleep. You on the ground? Sleep. Yeah, little break? Sleep. We are about to go on another river rafting journey. This one's going to be on a motorized boat. It'll be an hour and a half instead of 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm super excited. It's gonna be in a different part of town. We're gonna do an hour drive now. So I will see you there. Well, I love boats and boat rides. Such a relaxing way to see a new place. So, highly recommended. It's 119 yuan if you want to do it by yourself. It's about $18. Let's go hike a mountain. So above this toilet, there was a sign in Chinese and English. And in English, the translation was, "To also rush to punch." Does this mountain have a name, the one that we're gonna climb?
5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Yeah. Or called Triping. Triping is the
Triping.
name of the village down there. Also called 5 Fingers Mountain.
Here's the entrance. Is this the one that you said had 500 steps, Justin? I think so. Woo! ClaireTrips. I think it's important that we address this. I don't know what it is about China, if it's all the sweating or the food or the pollution or what, but this is the worst breakout I have had in 10 years. It's so bad. I don't even know what to do about it. I've been scrubbing my face at night, getting all my makeup off, but someone thought it would be cute to fly the exact same drone that went off a cliff this trip. This spot. Not jealous. Nope, not jealous.
I have never seen this many photographers in one place in my life. Still, everyone behaved themselves well, and there weren't any arguments over who got what spot.
For sunrise, and now we're eating. It's a little bit rainy. We're having some local food. We have some simple noodles. Justin put kelp on his. So there was red stuff over there, and I put a bunch of red stuff on it. And I think people have been taking it easy on us because my mouth is on fire. It's good. It's delicious. Getting some coffee going.
We got a steamed bread.
It's like a dumpling. All right. Ooh, it's soft. How is it, Justin?
So we have a 3-hour drive to Longxing to catch the sunset, the gorgeous pink sunset. Maybe not.